So we're here to put together an Amiga 1000 Kickstart relocator. Luckily, this thing's really easy. I have mounted this up on my handy-dandy turning tool. What you're going to need are two-sided pin headers, socket headers, two 40-pin sockets, two SMD 10K resistors, and probably some 90-degree pins here, or you can just bridge two with solder if you're only going to use one ROM, and then one 90-degree pin header to send out to your U6L chip on your memory board. For the 68K socket, two-sided headers. Use a socket for a brace. For the CPU, two rows of socket headers. And reuse the socket as a brace. Alright, let's go clean this thing off. So, first things first, we are supposed to pull pin 17 on U6J right here, this paddle chip. I am not looking to clip any pins, so I'm going to remove U6J and put a socket in its place. I gotta say, it's really quite cool how well labeled this board is. So here's J and then each row. It's kind of like an Apple board, honestly. But anyway, so U6J. Now we solder a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor between pin 1 and 20 of U4K. Now we remove the stock ROMs and the CPU. With U6L connected, we're ready to go. All right, now that I got a reasonable monitor plugged in, so let's turn it on and see what happens. All right, no Kickstart prompt, just Workbench. Just to verify that everything else is detected okay, I'm gonna pop in Amiga test kit. Perfect. Kickstart 1.3, 68,000 CPU. And that's a wrap. This Amiga 1000 is ready for some future upgrades without needing a floppy to get started. So now you're ready to do yours. Have a good one.